So for this challenge, we're looking at the Olympics and we're just doing some counting. So here's our Olympic data set. We've got the summer and the winter games as two different columns. I thought that the easiest way to treat this would be to make it one column that tells us whether it's the summer or the winter Olympics, and then filter those to summer or winter. So here I go, I transpose just the summer and winter columns, and then I filter out these null rows, because each Olympics is either going to be summer or it's going to be winter. It's not going to be both. So then I get back to 57 rows, which is what I had before I transposed. So that's all worked the way I expected it to. So we were told to do this challenge two different ways. I chose to use regex for the first way. So the reason we need this is if we scroll down our continent field, we find out that some values have a star in front of the continent name. And then there's also this one here that's a bit of an issue with our square brackets and an H after Europe. So to clean that up, I used regex here. So the /W means any alphanumeric character, and then I also say space. It's in square brackets to mean like these are the only characters that we can have and accept as part of it, and the plus meaning one or more. So that just means that we then get rid of any stars. So if I find, for example, Asia here, that gets rid of the star. That doesn't come through. That's not an allowed character. And then also Europe, I can see that H that's in square brackets is not allowed either, so that doesn't come through. Then it's just a case of separating them into the summer and the winter Olympics and doing a bit of summarizing, so grouping by the continents and counting, and sorting them, and then doing that for overall Olympics as well. The other option that I chose was to use the replace function, so that's just replacing the star with nothing and replacing the square brackets H with nothing as well. The reason that I would choose to do the regex over this way is because if I got another piece of random punctuation, this method wouldn't fix it for us. If I had a different letter that's inside the square brackets, that also wouldn't be picked up and fixed for us. So that's why I'd choose to use the regex way if I was going to do this, but hope that was useful. Thanks for watching.